All right, let's guide them in slowly.
Next group, keep moving forward. Watch the horns on the right.
Rumen stability levels are optimal. Confirmed. Logging automated feed sequence complete.
Heart rate is steady at 60 beats. Temperature is within normal range.
I'm logging all the data into the system now.
¡Ándale, toros! ¡Sigan derecho! Cuidado con la maquinaria.
The flow seems consistent here.
Very well, that you think so careful.
Yes, I just finished calibrating the heat lamps.
Thickness is within tolerance.
Surface quality is excellent on this batch.